Ever found yourself stuck on the side of the road with a car that simply refuses to cooperate? Most of us have been there, scratching our heads, trying to figure out what went wrong. Understanding the process of automotive diagnostic and service could save you from such predicaments, or at least provide a clearer picture of what's happening under the hood. Imagine your car as a complex puzzle. Each piece, from the engine to the exhaust system, plays a vital role in the overall function of the vehicle. When one piece fails, it can throw the whole system out of sync. Automotive diagnostic is the process of identifying which piece isn't playing its part. The first step in this process is the initial inspection. This is where a professional technician takes a look at the vehicle inside and out to identify any visible issues. They listen to the engine, check the fluids, examine the tires, and more. This step is crucial as it provides the first clues to what might be wrong. Next comes the use of diagnostic tools. Today's cars are equipped with an array of sensors and computers that monitor and control nearly every aspect of the vehicle. Technicians use specialized tools to read these systems, looking for any error codes or anomalies that could indicate a problem. Once the problem has been identified, it's time for the repair process to begin. This could involve replacing a faulty part, fixing a leak, or even overhauling an entire system. The complexity of the repair will depend on the severity of the problem. During the repair, the technician will use a combination of manual skills and advanced tools. They might replace a worn-out brake pad, tighten a loose bolt, or use a computer to recalibrate a sensor. Each repair is unique and requires a different approach. After the repair is complete, the vehicle undergoes a final inspection. This is to ensure that the problem has been properly addressed and that no new issues have arisen. The technician will test drive the vehicle, checking for any unusual noises, vibrations, or performance issues. Now, every car owner should understand the importance of regular maintenance. It's like going to the doctor for a regular checkup. Regular service keeps a vehicle running smoothly, prolongs its life, and can prevent many common problems before they become serious. In summary, the automotive diagnostic and service process involves an initial inspection, the use of diagnostic tools to identify problems, the repair of these issues, and a final inspection to ensure the vehicle is in top shape. Regular maintenance plays a crucial role in preventing issues and ensuring the longevity of the vehicle. Understanding this process can help car owners make informed decisions about their vehicles and avoid unexpected breakdowns. So next time your car starts acting up, remember, it's not just a machine, it's a puzzle waiting to be solved. And with a little knowledge, you can be part of the solution.